Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing for my Erin Condren Planner. I am beyond excited. I'm beyond excited. I haven't looked at the box. The box just came in the mail. So you know, like a kid on Christmas morning, I'm just super excited. So I can't wait to see. I wanted to film with you guys an unboxing and first impressions video. Well, my goal is to use this planner for my businesses. So I am going to, without further ado, I have it flipped over because of course my information is on the opposite side. This is the life planner. I am going to flip it over, unopen it, and actually we can start together. Let's see, so scissors. Oh wow. Oh, so this is how it comes. I feel like, oh my gosh, I feel like a little kid on Christmas. So this is how it comes. Oh, I'm so impressed with the presentation. Like, oh my gosh. All right, so it has inside the Erin Condren dual tip markers. Ooh, I like this. Love the colors. Oh, it has the Erin Condren pouch. Oh my gosh. And you guys know I love pink, so I'm like loving this color. And this is the planny pad, front and back. This is the designer sticker book for the classic collection. This is the edition 4, and it says plan for tomorrow, celebrate day. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is the back of it. This is the meal planning. So I plan to do, let me go through it, but this is the grocery list and the meal planning insert. Oh, and this is my planner. Guys, oh my gosh, so this is my first time actually holding, touching, being near a Erin Condren planner. I am going to move this box and get into actually playing with it. So this is the planner. Let's do a quick flip through. Oh my gosh, I am so impressed. Oh my gosh. And this is just plan for it pouch. Oh, this is cute for stylish storage. Let's see what's inside of this. So this has, oh my gosh, keep your chin up. Oh, these are so cute. You can change the world, work that hustle. And oh, this is super cute. Just has, if this was a gift, you could put from and to. And then it has a 20% off my next purchase. And this is so the pouch is able to stick in my planner. We are going to put all of this amazing stuff back. And it says, enjoy these samples for yourself or gift them for a friend. And it just says compliment cards 3, friends and family discount cards 2, gift labels, whole clip connector. Aw. Oh, our gift to you. Love that. And this is the life planner. Oh my gosh. So this is it. Oh my gosh. So this is the 2019 planner. This is motivation is what gets you started. Planners is what keep you going. So true. And we are just going to what your week is seeking you. Love this. And I decided to go with the hourly planner, and this is how, which I love. I'm so excited to use this. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh. So we are right now on the last day of February, and this is live what you love. I love that it has like different quotes for each month, and it has like the different holidays. And what I love about this is that I can use it, like I can put my social media information on here. I can put, if I have anything going, travels, whatever, I can put it in, like due dates, anything that I need, I can put it in this planner that is business related. If I need to pick up a product, whatever the case is. And this is just some more of like the end of January into February. I'm obsessed with this hourly layout. Definitely obsessed. And from here on, we are just going to go through like the quotes for each month because it pretty much has the same layout. So everything you can imagine is real, which is super cute. And I am going to go to the next month, and it says life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated, which is so true. And I love how it has like the note page on the back. Then we are going to go, this is May. It says nurture your mind with great thoughts, create your own sunshine. This is so important. Nothing worth having was ever achieved without effort. Oh, how on point is that? Forget mistakes, remember the lessons. So true. Be fearless in pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. If a plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. Oh my gosh. Love that. It only takes one person to change your life. You. How on point is that? Stay patient and trust your journey. Oh, this Erin Condren. Yes, girl. Yes. And these, so it goes, this is December. It goes up to December. And on the, this just has some additional sheets. And then it has a note section right over here, graphic section. And this could be, oh, in a doodle section. And this also, what I would, if I have something that I'm working on, I had, you know, this is perfect for that. I would use this note section if I have something I'm working on, if it's a product I'm coming out with, a plan that I have that I want to do, if it's a worksheet that I want to create, anything, products, notes, creative, anything creative is going to this back section for me. Let's keep in touch. I love this idea. And what I probably do is when I have this with me, I'm just going to use this for all of my business contacts. So all of my business contacts, this area is for, and if I need to take a mental break in color, I have these. And then it just gives me an outline of 2020. It says incoming year. So anything that I need to take care of. What I love is that not only does it give me an outline of this month, it also gives me areas to put down some information, whether it's content, whether it's, you know, follow up with this person in this month or launch this month. Oh my gosh, apps. Oh, this is amazing. Like, love, 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 love the feel of the paper. I know some people are big on like, how does the paper feel? I like the feel of it. Love the feel of it. Arriving at one goal is the start of another. Love that. These are some stickers, which I love. To-dos, reminders, goals for today. Absolutely love this. Love these stickers. Oh, these stickers are super cute. Haven't, oh my gosh, keep moving forward. Absolutely love, love, love these stickers. Oh, love this. And this is just like a catch-all if I need to put it in the back. Dry erase. Celebrate someone or something every day. Like, how right one is that? Ooh. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this. Wow, this is amazing. I wasn't expecting this. So it pretty much, you keep track of the date that you celebrate year after year. Oh, this is so dope. I wasn't expecting that. And it has like the holidays and dates to remember. Important passwords. Oh, this is clutch. Important contacts. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. And we can, what I plan on, so this is like a dry erase board, which, oh my gosh, absolutely love. But also I have the meal planner insert. So this, I'm really, really looking forward. If you have been following me for a while, you know I do my family meal planning. So this is going to be for me to keep track of the meals that I'm creating for myself. So this is a grocery list, which, oh my gosh, it's perfect. And then on the opposite side, I can do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, which is perfect. So I'm just going to put this to, I think I'm not sure if it's going to move. Initially, it may go to the front of the planner because out of sight, out of mind, if I don't have it in the front. And then I'm going to leave it right here just so it protects it. I'm gonna, right, so we have this, and then, so that's that, and then we have this with this, put that right over there, and this is the sticker book. I'm gonna look through this, just flip through this. Oh wow, don't wish for it, work for it. Oh my gosh. This sticker book has a special place in my heart already. Absolutely love it. Super cute. Vacation, yes. Let's see. I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, and it says, it has these stickers on the last page. The best every day is a fresh start. Absolutely loving this. And then we have the pouch. How cute is this? Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. How cute is this? It's like so freaking cute, guys. So yes, this is my planner. Let's keep the conversation going in the comment section. If you have an Erin Condren planner, let me know. Let me know, what planner do you like? What cover do you have? How often you change out your cover? I am like obsessed with this. I can't wait to use it, which I am going to do. I'm obsessed with the hourly layout. Oh my gosh, I'm just so satisfied with it. Super satisfied with it. But let's definitely keep the conversation going in the comment section. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I can't wait to chat with you guys.